Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Mercedes-Benz. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.5-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 134,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.